Hi soulmates, if you like to learn how to make an underbust cut on a top just like the one displayed right here, then this video is for you. Watch till the end. My name is Veronica Adams Eze. Welcome to Vera Adams YouTube channel. Without wasting time, let's get started. So here is the pattern paper I'll be working on. I've gone ahead to fold it into two, and I'm marking the shoulder measurement, which is 15 inches divided by 7.5 inches. I'm taking the neckline width as 3.5 inches. From shoulder to bust 10 inches, shoulder to underbust 13 inches, and shoulder to waist is 16 inches. I'm going ahead to make a straight line out of these points. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go down by a 1 inch slope, and then I'll mark the chest line, which is 7 inches. Then I'll draw a line and I'll indicate that as the chest line, the bust line, the underbust line, and also the waistline. So I'll go ahead to the top and then connect on the shoulder slope, then bring it down to connect into the chest line. I'll go ahead and divide what I have on the armhole line into two. I'll make a mark there and I'll come out by 0.5 inches. Then I'll go ahead to bring in my ruler, but before I do that, I'm going to mark the bust span measurement, and then I'll go ahead to use my ruler to connect these points together to form the armhole cuff. I'll go ahead to take the nipple to nipple measurement, which is 7 inches divided by 3.5, and I'll mark it on the waistline, on the underbust line, and also on the bust line. I'll go ahead to bring in my ruler to connect these points together in a straight line. From the bust line, I'll go down by 1/2 inch, and from that point I'll connect using the cuff part of my ruler, just the way you're seeing me doing right here, into the underbust line. So right now I'm going ahead to take my underbust measurement, which is 13 inches divided by 7.5 inches, and also the waist measurement. I'll go ahead and connect these points together to meet the chest line. Right at this point, I'm going ahead to start cutting it out, and I'm starting from the waistline, and I'm cutting out just the way you see me doing right here. Once I'm done with this, I'll move ahead to the main reason for this tutorial, and then I'll start cutting from the underbust right into 1/2 inch away from the bust line. So this is what we have after cutting it out. Yes, we have the upper part and the lower part. You can go ahead and increase the length of this top if this is too short for you. You can just make the length according to your preference. Actually, you can go ahead to use just the lower part, and it will give you something like what you're seeing right here on the screen. This is called an underbust corset belt. You can as well increase the length if this is too small for you. And if you're wondering how to cut the back, just go ahead and cut it straight. The back will not have that curved effect. It will be cut exactly, but the only difference is that it will not have the curved effect. But for the sake of this tutorial, following our inspiration, we're going to be using both the upper and the lower piece, so together it will form one piece. Please note that when you're drafting out the back bodies will not have the underbust cut. So if you do not know how to draft a back bodies, I have a detailed tutorial on how to do this. Do not hesitate to give this video a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. If this is your first time here, I want to say welcome to my YouTube channel. Do well to subscribe. If you have any question whatsoever, kindly drop it in the comment section. I'll be there to respond to you. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.